Hello person, today my friends and I will be playing Push the Button. In this game there will be 3 humans and 1 alien. The humans have to find out who the alien is, and the alien has to lie to blend in and not get caught. Humans will always get the human prompts unless they're hacked by the alien. The alien can use 2 hacks the whole game and will always get incorrect but close prompts. If you don't want to watch this whole video, skip ahead to this time. It's the best game of the 3. Also, it gets pretty loud at times, so volume warning. Thanks for watching and enjoy.
Interesting. I'll start that.
Oh fuck, I'm gonna get you copyrighted. Fuck. Well, whatever, we're already there, so.
Oh.
I have terminated your biosleep to alert you that a devastating virus has been uploaded to my processing core. I'm now initiating security protocol
Hot
Zeus
dog.
Apollo Hot Dog.
Hot dog.
Oh, hot
I have determined
dog.
that one of you is secretly an alien.
My pizza is here.
Please look at your
Guys, if
device
I'll get off
to
of
it's
TikTok.
you,
confirm
safe,
your
it's
identity.
you.
Push the button. Our
Holy
first
frick.
visit to the deliberation deck.
Who's Harry?
Answer
Mason.
the question on your
Mason,
device.
what's your middle name?
Oh,
P.
Human received. You're a werewolf. It's a full moon. For everyone's safety, you should quickly get yourself to. And now the participants' answers.
What?
Do any of
yo,
these
those
answers
beaches
seem
are not
suspicious?
fucking around. Them
Think about
beaches,
this for a
those
second.
boys,
Think
they not
about this.
fucking
What were your
around.
options? What
Yeah,
the
what
fuck were
are
your
your
options?
New York, the middle of Nevada, and Miami Beach.
Why Miami
Think about
Beach?
this. No. Miami Beach.
Nah,
the beaches ain't
Rob, it's
fucking
one of them.
around.
It's one of them, Rob. It's one
You
of them.
can fit in with everybody
No.
at Miami Beach.
I don't know. I really don't know.
For
what-
everyone's
I don't know what I would
safety.
pick there.
You think that's safe?
Where
there's-
are we doing
Miami
pick?
Beach is closed right now,
We're
dog.
on the
Yeah,
clock here,
what would you
people, so
pick?
let's keep it going.
Right now. Nevada. Are you stupid?
What?
Dude, like,
You're
that's
funny.
like probably worst place.
Next, Captain.
Oh wait,
Okay,
hold
let's
up.
get
I
a move on.
misinterpreted
Pick another
that.
room and test group.
I think one
There's
of them
less
got
than
hacked and
11
one of them's the
minutes.
alien. That's
Wait, I actually misinterpreted that question.
Hold up. Mason, hurry up!
Fuck you.
Mason, you're the captain.
Wait, this is getting posted. I mean, not you, Rob. You're nice.
Thank you. Like, I'm here all...
You have entered the drawing quarter. If it seems like they're taking
why
too
can't
long
you
with their
undo
precious
shit?
art, you can always hit the hurry
Whoa,
that's
this is a
what it
family's
is.
channel.
No, it's not.
Human, Scott.
I didn't
is
say.
Draw a
Oh,
hitchhiker.
Okay.
I got hacked! I got hacked! I got hacked! I got hacked, dude. I got hacked. It said draw a masked killer, okay? So I drew a guy with a mask
We'll continue
and a
to
knife.
test you,
Okay?
That's okay.
You can test me. I might continue to get hacked. We'll see, I guess.
Is that
Yeah, that's supposed to be a system.
That's a long thumb.
Flipping them off.
You only have one arm as well, so that's an L.
I got hacked.
Really?
Wait,
You got
oh.
hacked again?
Yeah, I can tell you before.
Oh, wait, no.
Dude.
Oh, wait, that was the wrong answer, guys. I didn't think of this. Frick, sorry. I mean, any option works.
Dude, I don't trust anyone. This sucks.
You're placed in witness protection to avoid the mob.
You know, this is actually a
You
good
stand
answer
the
for
best
this.
chance of
but I
So,
got hacked.
so the options were New York City, middle of
Anything
Nevada,
odd?
and Tokyo, Japan. I think I was into Tokyo, Japan. Even though it's a lot of people,
how
but you're
the
really good at hiding
turntables.
with all those people.
How
Rob,
the-
you don't
that
look
still works.
like a Japanese person. You will not blend in.
That's
What?
true.
What?
So, middle of Nevada, no, New York City would work just as well. Then I don't know. All these answers really work. So deliberation deck really does suck.
Another drawing test? I approve.
How the fuck am I supposed to draw this?
Their drawings could reveal an alien.
Wait, yeah, how the fuck
So-
am I supposed to draw this?
So all
What
the hacks
fuck?
have been all the hacks have been used by us. So you guys can't say you were hacked.
Humans received. Draw melting snow.
Tell me that's not
Okay.
sus. Tell me that's not
Those
sus.
are pretty good.
Okay.
So yeah, the stuff on the ground
Alright,
is
I
supposed
say
to
we
be
test-
snow.
It's not Mason.
Chris, no, I don't know.
And it's not me.
How can we trust
so-
you, Rob?
It's not me. It's not.
Okay, Rob, I'm
No, you
convinced.
can't.
I'm
trust me,
convinced.
but it's not me. Guys, you don't want to get mad like last time, do you? I might have.
No,
to kill
I want you to get
guys.
mad. Like,
I would
last
actually
time.
love
was
for
really
that.
fun.
I would love to.
I
do
would
that.
really love
Why
that.
can't emergencies have
Rob,
common
that's
law?
Well,
free
all you
content.
have to do is vote
Next
for me when it's
captain
not me.
identified.
Free
And then I'll
content.
be mad.
You said press the button.
Oh, Mason, I trust you. Bioscanner.
Bioscanner.
Oh wait, it's me. I'm my.
You freaking idiot!
I thought it was Mason, dude.
my.
I think that was the best round we've ever had.
Analysis is online.
All right,
Yes, sir.
put Chris in. Put Chris in.
I'm putting Chris in.
I
He's gonna
trust
say my
Paul.
alien.
Other
He's
player,
gonna
and
say
you
my
will learn
alien.
their
Why would I say that?
Because you
Fail.
are.
Why would I say that?
Because you are.
He's failed 2 tests already. He's failed 2 tests.
No, I haven't.
We've only tested Chris once, by the way.
It's Chris. It's Chris. It's Chris. It is Chris. It is Chris. I'm pushing it.
Wait.
No, don't push it. Oh my gosh, why?
I'm sorry, dude. You guys trust me, right?
Welcome to the extraction.
You failed
room.
2 tests.
Since you
No, I
declined to
didn't.
push the button,
Yes, you did.
Oh,
whom
well,
will
I
answer?
have to do more
Yes,
tests. I
Since
want
this
to
is our
test
first
you and
time
Chris.
here, you have 2
Okay,
minutes
okay,
to
cancel it.
decide.
Look,
Cancel it.
yeah.
Wait, you said we're out of hacks,
Now
right?
the
I
non-isolated members
believe
shall
you
vote.
more than I believe Chris,
Okay, time
but
to vote.
What did I?
We do
what
have
I
time.
done?
We
What
do
did I
I've done
time.
nothing sus.
Chris, you've been tested
If
once. I don't even remember what that
the
test
vote
was.
has failed.
It was the
It is
the
Chris.
Miami Beach one.
I
Oh,
bioscanned
yeah,
him.
You literally had a
All you
1
can
in
do
3
is keep
chance.
testing
And
until you
the
can all agree.
deliberation deck.
Okay,
You got lucky,
next
Chris.
captain. Humans were given this prompt.
Okay,
The
there's no
animal
hacks.
I've
There's
always
no hacks.
wanted
See?
to pet
See
is,
how it's-
I mean, that's not
Do
sus.
any of these
I'm
answers
gonna
sound
Exactly.
apologize.
But
Exactly.
let's keep
Guys,
keep
we
going.
don't have that much time.
Let's hurry up, Coleman. Let's hurry up. Let's hurry up.
There's less than 3 minutes.
I'm gonna text
We all
Cole.
do that.
I think it's Cole.
That's
No,
fair.
you don't. You don't think it's me.
Hurry up! Hurry up! What is it? Mason, you can enter it right now, and I wouldn't even look at it. I know it's not Mason. There's no
Let's
way.
see the human. Draw acrobats.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, that's pretty
Good?
No,
Let's
but let's just do
copy
one
what
more.
I'm
One more.
pushing,
Just
please.
one more. I believe you. I
One
100%
more?
believe you.
If
we
you
have
100%
time.
believe me, press the
I know.
button.
We have time, boy. So
Push it.
no,
I think
we
it's
have
Cole.
time, Cole.
Chris,
I'm
you don't think it's me. You're
Next
trying to
captain.
convince
I
me that it's
do.
me.
How?
Dude, why is it
How?
too
How?
freaking-
How?
Less than 2
Because
minutes.
What are you basing that on? Both my last answers were good after you ran out of hacks.
You lied about me being it.
Press hurry up.
I lied about you
Humans
being
out.
it.
Pronto.
Press hurry. Press hurry. We have time, Durham. We have time.
Here's
We
the
have time.
correct prompt. I love the sound of fingernails scraping down.
Yo,
the
low key, it's a
chalkboard.
vibe. Low key, it's a vibe.
Ha!
Low key, it's a
Ha!
Damn.
I've seen enough!
I'm gonna
This
break
better not be
you.
one.
Wait, why does it say we have 31 minutes? What the fuck?
31 seconds.
31 seconds.
Paused.
You only
31
Okay,
minutes and
time to
95
vote.
Yeah, it's like what?
I can't compete. I can't compete. Dumb.
Hold up.
Literally, I
Second
did
left.
nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
I did
Nothing.
what?
You just you like the sound of chalk. The nails
Okay,
on
that's the last
chalkboard.
one though. You guys had it as a, oh, you did
Chris,
the
you're
whole
saying it like we didn't already pick.
time. Fucking crap.
Alien!
Oh,
Thank goodness I was too young to be
Yes,
born.
sir.
oh,
Can I get a yes, sir?
yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's my boy!
Yes, sir.
My pizza's here!
Yes, sir. My pizza's
Hey,
here.
Harry Penis!
Wait, guys, my pizza's here.
Too good.
Okay.
Really? Again?
Your device can tell
Cole, I was a little suspicious that
Chris,
you really said
shut
that
the
'cause
fuck
Mason
up.
said it,
Identities.
but-
Again, dude, are you
By my
kidding me?
calculations, you will have 12
Guys, it's
minutes
Cole.
before I cease to be. So I'd appreciate
Guys,
it if you
it's
could
Cole.
figure out who the alien is, and then push the button.
It's
Me.
Push.
I think it's actually Rob. I'm just
Will be
saying.
our
It's Robert
first
Mason.
captain.
Yeah, it honestly hasn't been me in a while.
Choose an
And it,
available
like, it's
room
always-
in your
Yeah,
desired
for Rob,
participants.
one game is a while. So
That's true.
Don't even put me in. Put Cole in.
You have entered the drawing quarters.
if I got hacked, this is gonna look really sus. I'm just saying.
Humans got
Watch this. Cole says they got hacked.
draw a deck. Let's
There's
see
no way you think it's me. That's a platypus. That's a platypus. That's a platypus.
100%.
It's Mason. It is Mason. It is Mason, dude. It is fucking Mason, dude. Holy shit. That
Fuck
is a
this game.
fucking. That is Perry. That is literally Perry right there.
No, it doesn't have a head. Oh, yeah. That's Agent Pete. That's a head.
Next captain, please.
My turn.
Okay.
I kind of want to test Mason again, but
Holy
I'll
fuck.
just-
We have over
Dude, I
10
can't
minutes.
even
I'll
lean
just-
back.
I'll spread it
Writing
out. I'll
test
spread it out.
initiated.
There's no way. It's not Mason, dude. That was the most platypus shit I've ever seen.
Dude, that was a cool duck.
Yo, that was Perry. That ass, that was just straight up Perry.
Here's the prompt humans should have received.
Yo,
The animal I've always wanted as a
yo.
pet is a.
Ah, dude.
I got
There's
hacked.
gotta
I don't know, Rob.
My animal closest to your personality.
Dog.
I mean, you
I come
telling
with
us
you,
that
right?
it's the wrong prompt doesn't really prove anything.
No, it doesn't, but I'm just letting you know that I got hacked, so one of the hacks was used.
How?
I could have
You
not
literally have
said
the
it, but it's
Okay,
a little
one
suspicious
hack,
of
one hack,
dog.
one hack down.
Why can't you guys trust me?
Interesting.
You drew a platypus.
You
Dude, that was
to
a duck.
give your opinion.
Literally drew a straight up duck. It's a quack.
Answer the
You put him
question on your
there.
device.
I put him in there just because I wanted to put him in there.
Why'd you
What
put
did you
me
want?
in
What?
there, dude?
Why would you put me
Because-
in there?
Because I know I can trust Cole.
Does
I
it-
almost,
So it's a
I
baseline.
almost
I
clicked
put
the wrong
Cole-
one, and I would have looked
Humans
so
use the
sus.
Following prompt. I'm sarcastic.
Yeah.
I almost put strongly
Okay.
disagree, dude.
And decide.
That would have looked so
That would have been
bad.
sarcastic.
Wait, if you would have done that, it would have been sarcastic.
God. Me and my platypus are just gonna
It's
take our
Mason.
games elsewhere. Okay?
Next captain.
Me, you, and Perry.
No, me and my duck. Guys, I think it's Cole.
Robert
Why are you
D,
putting me in?
You're the one.
The writing
Well, it's
part
either
done.
you or me.
You've got it.
Ah, dude, it
Oh
didn't let me
my.
submit. It didn't let me submit. It didn't let me submit.
As the
Oh,
button was pushed.
Welcome to the extraction
I think
room.
it's Cole.
Since
I've
you're the
seen
one
it.
that
It's
pushed the button,
Mason, so that's
It's
cool.
cool. It's
There's
cool. It's
there's
cool. I've
no
seen it.
way you guys put yes.
$5.
No,
Just saying,
no,
just saying.
no,
$5.
no.
$5.
I'm
deleting the
$5.
recording. I'm deleting the recording if you do.
$5.
the vote has failed.
Where's my $5?
Rob, I know you need that content.
Give me 1 second. Give me.
All you
I
can
need
do is
to go to the
contest it
bathroom.
until you can all agree. Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
Guys, I wanted to flex my book smart.
It's actually Mason.
It is Mason.
And the human prompt was draw Mario. Do any of these seem stinky?
Yo, low
Is that supposed to be a plunger?
Let's figure it out. I have dinner
Yo,
reservations
that was-
as
I don't
scheduled.
trust you yet, Rob. I can't lie.
Seriously?
I'm not really sus at you, but I have no guarantee.
You don't think it's me? Okay, well, I'm in
Okay,
the party.
time to vote.
I am leaving the party. Okay, I'll hit yes. I'll hit yes, dude.
The vote has failed.
Me and Chris.
You and
It
Chris.
just tried to FaceTime me, and it kicked me off. It kicked me off my Safari on my laptop.
This is the Biospeaker. I hope you've chosen a team you can trust.
Okay, Mason, fuck you for calling me, dude. Why the fuck are you calling me? Okay,
Hello, I'm trying.
Last
I'm
one.
calling someone real quick.
last
Give me a
one
sec.
is 2 little praise hands on the sides with a little eye. Like it's like a circle and a line below. It looks like an eye with a macaroni
Yep,
on top.
lowercase I, yep, got
Yep.
it, easy money.
Hey
Got it.
Cole, I know I'm the alien and everything, but like, don't send me out. I'm trying to go.
Dude,
I
stop
love
calling me. Stop calling me. Dude, he messed me up.
My bad. I had
Oh
to
my-
call someone.
The test has failed.
He dead ass. It changed my screen, and I hit the wrong one.
Okay, that was suspicious. Maybe test humans next time.
That means
Guys.
you press the right one.
No, cause look at it, it's
Press
right above
the
it.
wrong-
Look at it, it's right above it.
Maybe this time will
Guys,
be
what are you doing? Oh, what do you guys think
No, I
it is?
mean I'm not saying that. Like,
Wait,
like, you
what do you guys
really
think it
have to
is?
press the right
Wait,
one
what?
again and
I don't
press
really
the
know
wrong-
who it is. I'm just guessing.
Okay, time to vote.
Oh, okay. No,
Educated, not really educated. Actually, just
Guys, don't do this.
uneducated.
You guys don't do this. You're gonna take the L.
loved you. Okay, what the? Okay.
Chris! We have no more buttons.
I never hit my button.
Yes, sir.
Analysis is
Wait,
online.
Chris is the one we don't trust, though.
How?
We do trust them because it's Mason.
Or no,
Choose
it's
any
or it's
other
Robbie we
player
don't trust. I
and you
forgot.
will
I
learn
lost
their
track.
true
The
identity.
frick.
Stan
You were
Mason.
really
Stan
testing me.
Information,
You were really
you know,
testing
if
me.
you want.
No,
I am going
Test
to
Mason.
kill you.
Test
I'm
Mason,
going to come to
please.
your
Test
house
Mason.
and
Confirm
stab you
we're
in the
ready to
heart.
proceed.
Okay.
No. If we test Robbie and we find out if he's human or not.
No, because we
But
know
if you
it's
test
Mason.
Mason, then we're sure
no,
it's Mason and not anyone else. That way you're not sus of the wrong person.
Put Mason in.
It's not popping up on my screen.
Now I can vote. I forgot to mention that the rest of you should have put on lead bibs.
Guys. It says he's human.
No, there's no way. There's no way.
It says he's human.
There is no way.
He's
We're
lying.
on the
He's
clock
lying.
here,
He's gonna
people, so let's keep it going.
I'm pressing the button.
Because
If that means he's not in
he's gonna put
and
me in
Cole's
and then
not
take
in.
me out and then put.
Going
He's not
for it
even
again,
in.
Ice. Whom will you isolate?
Wait, how is he not in the game? What happened?
Did you put Mason in? What the?
Wait, this dude appeared out of nowhere.
Okay, time to vote.
No.
Imagine I hit no on accident.
The vote passed.
Would have never guessed.
Guys, we could have done this like 8 minutes ago and got a whole nother game in.
Content.
I don't know what you guys are
Content. Oh no, guys, he was human.
Yeah.
You saved
So-
us. I
Yeah.
love you.
I just want to point out
Why
what
am I
some of my
always the
things were.
first one to say it?
For the duck, I had draw a goose.
You drew a fucking platypus.
I didn't
For
download
ISIS to
Assassin's
be.
Creed
So
4.
I'd
I don't
appreciate
have
if
it.
you could figure out who the alien is, and then
Okay.
Yo, what?
push that button.
He's on what I like to call it.
Oh my!
Choose an
Yeah,
available
shut
room
the
and your
recording down.
desired
Shut the recording down.
participants.
Shut the recording down. Shut the recording down.
On your device.
Can you delete this?
If I didn't get hacked
Here's the
and you don't
prompt
believe
humans
me,
should have received.
I can send pictures.
The
Okay.
most
No,
I didn't get
thing
hacked.
left
I didn't get
is,
hacked. I didn't get
And
hacked.
how did the subjects respond?
That's
Do any of these
some more
answers
unique
seem
than mine. I'm
suspicious?
not gonna lie. Chris knows I collect baseballs.
Chris, is that true?
Yo, what the?
That's
Who
true.
aliened that?
How's mine sus? How is that
He said
sus?
he would send. He said he would send.
I am
pictures.
sending it to the group chat.
No,
No.
that's cheating. That's cheating.
Yeah,
That's
no,
cheating.
yeah, that's actually.
Fine.
Humans
Harry
receive
mama.
Let's be up at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
short hair is the best hair.
Wait.
Interesting.
Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
Yes.
I don't
actually.
necessarily agree with my hair choice at the moment.
Neither do I. I'm not gonna lie.
Interesting. Well, I've never seen you other than like relatively
With long
I don't
hair, because
remember
you've
you
only
first
known me
time.
with long hair, and that's just because I
That's
refuse to get
true.
a haircut.
I'll cut it.
I don't know. I'm still.
Nah.
That's,
It's not that sus, but it's a little sus.
Well, because you
I
guys have never.
concur.
The only person that's seen you with relatively
Next
short hair in
captain
here is
identified.
Cole. And I used to get haircuts
You.
back in high school.
Yeah, but it was still like longer. Like it wasn't like a buzz cut or anything.
I've definitely cut it short at some points. Like right before prom, that shit was short as hell.
We are chilling.
It's Cole.
How is it me?
It's taking very long.
I'm the captain, dude. I didn't know.
Orders.
Cole
Draw
takes
the
long, so
prompt
he's
on your
alien.
device.
Chris, that's a little racist against aliens. I'm not gonna lie.
Here is the human prompt. Draw something spooky
Okay.
and go.
Ghost. Ghost.
I think it's Mason. Neither of these are sus.
Why do you think it's Mason?
Because his last thing was kind of sus, because he has long hair. And neither of those
Oh
are
my-
sus at all.
Next captain.
I'm
Okay.
just saying.
Mate,
Okay. I'm not sure it's Mason, but Mason's
I'm not
over
sure that
sus.
you're safe either.
Okay, test me then.
That's him.
The prompt humans saw was... The time period with the coolest clothes was... Anything odd?
Modern shit.
Modern shit.
I think these are both answers.
What time period actually has good clothes, though?
80s.
I just don't
I
agree
think-
with that.
I
I
think
think modern shit's better.
Modern
think
is no.
modern,
There's no
yeah.
like clear
Well,
defined.
please.
It's just like.
Because we still have people posing in front of weak energies with their
Well,
bags
there
in front of
definitely
their
is.
chest.
I mean, I couldn't define it because
That's
I'm not a
right,
fucking
the
fashion
alien.
expert, but
New
there's definitely
captain.
like a
Select
Yeah, you're not a
style.
fascist. All right, gentlemen.
Analysis is online.
Let's go!
Voodoo test.
Captain, choose any
Shut-
other player and you will learn
Who should I
their
test?
true identity.
Mason.
You may share this
Yeah, test
information,
Mason.
you know, if you
What the
want,
fuck?
or keep it a secret.
I don't know. I
I
kind
don't
of
really
test
trust
Cole.
Chris
Tap
though.
confirm when you're
Test
ready
me.
to proceed.
I'm just saying, if Chris says it's me, he's fucking lying. It's definitely Chris.
Put in. Yeah, same. Do Mason. Do Mason.
Do Mason.
I see no point in testing me.
I don't see a point
Like-
in testing anyone anyway, because Chris is not trusted. So
Wow.
I'm just saying.
If he says
I've
alien,
passed
we
every
have to
test.
just test Chris and Mason.
Ooh, this should be good.
Mason's alien.
You fucking liar! You fucking
It is
bullshit liar!
Chris, dude. It
You
is
fucking
Chris.
bullshit liar! You
Alright, no, we're
fucking
testing them.
bullshit liar!
Let's just continue to test them.
Go ahead.
Hurry,
Go ahead.
hurry,
Test me.
hurry,
Test.
hurry.
Test me.
We're on the
Go ahead,
clock
test
here,
me. I
people,
don't
so
care.
let's
Test
keep it
Go ahead,
going.
test
Test
me.
Mason.
Test me.
And the prompt for humans was... Something I'm secretly really good at is...
You guys wouldn't guess this.
I got hacked. I got hacked.
You guys
I got hacked.
wouldn't
Dead
guess
ass. Dead
this.
ass. I got hacked.
You guys wouldn't guess
Chris,
this.
honestly, I wouldn't have even thought you got hacked.
Mine was something you really wish you had.
That's so sad.
Completely opposite.
How do you not have ambition? Don't you have like a photography page and shit?
Okay, that's my ambition. It's no
Whatever you say,
ambition.
dog.
If it was something that I was really good at, it would be eating
Next
pickles
captain.
with
Oh,
without
duh,
digging.
Oh, yes, sir.
Humans were given this prompt.
This is my downfall because I always suck at drawing.
Draw a rabbit.
Um,
What do we think?
I was hacked.
What is
I was hacked.
that? Looks like a
that
rabbit,
looks
Chris.
like a rabbit anyway.
Mine was the
Holy
Energizer
crap.
Bunny. Mine was the no. I'm letting you know because that's the last
Oh.
hack. The last hack.
That is my best attempt. I drew the smiley face because I was like, fuck.
Dude,
It's Mason,
I don't know
it's
who it
Mason,
is,
it's
man.
Mason.
I
Yeah,
really don't.
Dude. Frick. That's
What the
tough.
fuck?
Oh,
Actually, a lizard.
frick,
You had a
Mason's
lizard.
one
You
is
had to draw a
tested.
lizard.
That's bad. Okay, you're up, Captain.
Dude, I don't know.
There's less
Just
than
put Chris
2
in
minutes.
and I don't know.
How?
Oh, no,
passed
I don't
every
want to do
single
this. I don't
time.
want to do the deliberation deck.
I don't. Oh, dude, I really don't know.
I passed every single time.
Actually, just for the sake of it, because you've been tested less, Cole. I just
Press
need
hurry
filler.
up. Make quick
quick
opinions.
opinions,
Make quick
please.
opinions. Make
Okay,
quick
taking
opinions.
What the fuck? Oh wait, I got hacked. I got hacked. I got hacked.
No wait,
Yo,
no wait,
I
no wait,
think-
no you didn't, no
Chris
you
said I
didn't, no
got
you didn't, no you
hacked,
didn't, no you didn't, no you didn't, no you
No,
didn't.
dude, my
The underwear
is it
one?
does it flash when the
I
time's
don't
running
know.
low? Is that what it does?
Yeah,
Okay, I thought that was me being
Understand
hacked.
this
My bad,
now.
my bad.
Do any of
Slightly
the answers...
disagree. Slightly disagree. It is Chris.
Slightly?
It is Chris. It is Chris.
No,
You have
we
the
can't
same
do one
thing.
more.
I have strongly.
Welcome
Oh,
to the
John.
extraction room.
I was slightly. I
Since
don't know.
you
It's
were
not that
the
big of a
one to
deal to
push
me.
the button.
What the fuck?
Personally,
Yo, what you
since
said
this
you?
is our first time here, you have 2 minutes to decide.
Hairy
Okay.
penis is Mason, right?
No, it's
Well,
my
yes,
pizza
but-
is here.
No, Mason's my pizza's here.
I always get those confused.
Chris, that's me.
Now the non-isolated
Hell no!
member shall
Hell
vote.
no!
Imagine we vote
Okay,
yes.
Time to vote.
Really not cool.
I've- Go ahead. You're gonna kill me. You're gonna kill me, and
I
Mason's
voted.
gonna
I
be the
voted no.
alien.
By the
I
way.
think it's
You're
Chris,
gonna-
dude. I
You're
think
gonna,
it's Chris.
you're gonna kill me, and
Okay,
Mason's
I
gonna
think
win.
it's Chris.
And what do you guys gonna look like? A bunch of clowns. A
Let's see
bunch
if you'll
of
get it right.
clowns.
I can't
Put
wait.
Chris in. Put Chris in. We don't have a
Oh,
choice.
will you
We
isolate?
have to put
Yeah, you
someone
do.
in, dude.
1 minute. So
He
after
literally
the
drew.
I'm
a
not
lizard.
saying we don't have a
A
choice to who to
lizard
pick.
for
I'm
a
just saying
rabbit.
we don't have a
You
choice
drew
to
a
wait
lizard for a
to test
rabbit.
one.
I told
I
you
really hope it's
he's an
Chris,
alien.
otherwise
Yeah.
I told
Eat
you
a
he's an
pretzel.
alien. And what do you guys do? You say bon voyage. You guys are dumb.
I'm here all night.
Dumb.
I'm here all
Safe.
night.
Out.
I'm here all night.
Dumb.
Fuck, man.
Dumb.
I'm here all night.
Fuck.
I'm here all night.
What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? Don't bleep it. Don't bleep it.
Ah!
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
My
This game-
One more. One more.
Hey, my prompt was draw a sick dog. So I drew the
Exactly.
smiley
Dude,
face.
we should. That drawing was so sus. We should have known, Rob. We are stupid.
Oh my God.
that's facts. You're right. Why was it a smiley face on it? It's just a picture of rabbit. They're the worst.
We should have known, dude.